At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Detectives attached to the Spanish Town Criminal Investigation Branch are probing the death of a man who was beaten and chopped in Garden Pen, St. Catherine last night. He is believed to be a resident of the community. Reports are that about 11 p.m., the police received information that a man was attacked and beaten along Sinclair Drive. A 50-year-old St. Catherine man was shot during a robbery at his home along Jones Avenue, Spanish Town, early this morning. He has been hospitalized in serious condition with a gunshot wound to his head. Reports are that about 3:30, the man was at home when a man entered his premises and pulled a gun and opened fire. His attacker then robbed him of his cell phone and escaped. Residents of Grandspen in St. Andrew today mounted fiery roadblocks to protest the fatal shooting of a man by the police during an alleged confrontation in the community this morning. They have accused the police of wrongdoing. The shooting is being investigated by the Independent Commission of Investigations. Anyway, my people, it has come to my attention that the businessman charged with assaulting nurse denied bail. But guess what now? The reason why them deny bail, my wisdom warriors, is for his safety. When I hear them as something here, the reason why them denied bail is for his safety. Why? When Jamaican people are going to start get justice? That is the question I'm asking. When will Jamaican people start getting justice? According to Nationwide, the St. Andrew businessman Robert Bell, charged with assaulting a nurse, was denied bail when he appeared in court on Wednesday. Bell is represented by attorney Christopher Townsend. The 65-year-old Bell was slapped with the multiple charges following a viral video that appeared to show him physically assaulting a nurse in an incident of road rage. So my wisdom warriors, honestly, really and truly say, we depend on our own. Wanna see that though? Wanna see say we the Jamaican people depend on our own. This is why I encourage everybody to stand up for them one another. That's why I encourage to stand with each other. Because if we don't stand with each other, nobody else not stand with you. Nobody else not stand with we, my wisdom warriors. So we have to have one another back. Wanna hear the reason why them deny bail? Wanna hear the reason why them deny bail, my wisdom warriors? For his safety. Not for women's safety, Not for other women, For his safety. Because guess what now? They could have let him out, and then come back and do the same thing. You understand what me try to show my wisdom warriors? Me are telling about this court system, man. It is a big joke. Me people, we're moving on because I peer bangarang. Hear this.
Williams is threatening to sue me. Go ahead. The Jamaica Labour Party's response to my press conference yesterday. In that press conference, I highlighted that a certain company that is listed on the company's office website, with the major shareholder being MP Donovan Williams, imported 2 refurbished drills, each valued at $1,600 based on the attached and filed receipts. They cleared those drills, so landed one of those drills cost 250,000 Jamaican dollars. Just weeks later, a drill of the similar make and model of the cleared drills by Medical Technologies Limited was sold to the Bustamante Hospital for Children for $31.5 million. That is leaving us with the assumption, unless cleared up, that it is one of those refurbished drills for $250,000 that was sold for $31 million. I am asking that the serial number of the drill at the Bustamante Hospital for Children be made public so we can compare to see if the drills are different or they are the same. If they are the same, there are further questions to be asked. If they are not the same, there are also follow-up questions. The stance that the Jamaica Labour Party has taken is to personally attack me and my credibility, to make it seem as if I am making false statements. Everything that I have stated has been backed up by proof in writing, and I have submitted all of that to the Auditor General as well as the Integrity Commission for further investigation. So, Mr. Williams, in you breaking the law and not declaring whose shares you're holding, you have no legal right. You were supposed to file according to a law that you helped to pass, the ultimate beneficiaries of any company that is listed in the company's office. You are expecting me to roll over because you are not the ultimate beneficiary. I say again, go ahead and sue me. I'll see you in court. I look forward to it, because at that trial, I want you to name who is the beneficial owner of the shares. But I'm not ready for you yet. We will speak more about this company, Medical Technologies Limited, and who that person is, who is the ultimate beneficiary of the shares. We are still talking about the drill and the cost of the drill. And Jamaica, do not get sidetracked by their attacks on me. Do not get sidetracked by this argument that Mr. Williams doesn't own the company. Let him deal with his legal worries that he has created with the Companies Office of Jamaica. We are focusing on a serial number for a drill, and that is what we're going to be talking about. I'm going to be making a series of videos, and I'm going to continue to shed light on the situation. Mr. Williams is...
And we are going to continue to do our part also, Dr. Dawes, because everything will happen when I like it. And we, the public, are very, very concerned about this. We're concerned about how we taxpayer money are go. We don't understand this thing. Seriously. Because this man now come out and talk about him go sue Dr. Dawes. And this man is a shareholder. When I hear them something, my wisdom warriors, of course me. It come like that the brother then have no sense. It come like that brother then have no sense. Me say they love run out and chat about last week to see. Them and them know so them don't like a bat. Them know say hey, me people, a pure PR, you know, but that the PR they not go work at all. That PR not going to work, Donovan. You need to come and prove Dr. Dawes wrong. You need to come and prove him wrong. If I cannot do that, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth and go on side, because the whole of UNO corrupted. Every single one of UNO. And Jamaican people, the whole of we need to unite. We need to unite and take them out of parliament. And that we need to do. They need to lift up. Yeah, them need to listen. My wisdom warriors. These people no respect we. These people no respect we. They come out and lie. Bought them by drill for 31 million. Like them things that we are idiot. And we are asking Integrity Commission to investigate this. And we are also asking Auditor General to investigate this. My wisdom warriors. You know, so me always on Instagram a comment when them post, especially when Nationwide post. I may tell us a Nationwide. I saw me comment, I saw them delete me comment. I saw me comment, I saw them delete it. Me I say, when me see people that disrespect Mark Golden, and I tell Mark Golden to go suck this and that, me not see them a delete it. And me come respectively, and them a delete my comment. The whole of them is part of the corruption. And when you have news media, it's part of the corruption. There's a big problem, Jamaica. There's a big problem. We can't make people a fool way up so in a 2025. Labor right, me tell you, say, una part of the problem also, because una cheer on all these thieves. Una cheer on all these thieves, and una same one working, paying tax, and them a enrich for themselves with phone money. And what? Una alright with that labor right? It seems like una alright with that. Come in here, una talk about the money them where Andrew a thief up and Christopher Tufton a rob up. Me not hear una talk about it. Una come out every single day disrespecting the Auditor General. Auditor General is not PNP, you know. And Auditor General is not labor right. So why una come out and a chuck things and a be disrespectful to Auditor General? Like seriously. Like come on now. Literally. Una out here backing a thief. Like literally, when out here backing a thief and the same thief a lock up thief. It just don't make no sense. So when the thief a lock up thief, who lock up that the thief there? And that me want to know. Jamaican people, we have to be wise, you know. We have to wise up, you know. We have to wise up. We can't just allow these people to trample upon way. Labor right, you need to wake up. You not sleep too much. You not sleep too much. When say Andrew Owners come out and all a trick about urban center. Listen, I know the government own urban center, you know. Wanna stay there. I know the government own urban center. So when me hear not talk about, yes, you know, and then build up an urban center for us. For us what? For us what? Like seriously, come on, Jamaica. Come on. One more wake up call on a need. One more wake up call on a need. That me I ask you know. So on alright with that thief, a scammer for run the country and be our leader. And that do not tell me. It don't make no sense. It just don't make no sense. Ride-hailing company InDrive has expressed sadness at the disappearance of university student Anissa Dilworth, but say there is no record of her using its service recently. Dilworth, 20, a student of the University of Technology, Jamaica, was reported missing on May 7. She was reported last seen on May 6. An InDrive operator was taken into custody on May 10 and remains locked up without charge, as he continues to be questioned by investigators in relation to Dilworth's disappearance. My wisdom warriors, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Now them come up with a like a PR. Hey, una think so una can trick we out here? Una cannot trick us. Una cannot trick us. Una claim say the last time she take InDrive was May 2024. So how comes now una arrest a InDrive taxi driver? How comes una arrest a InDrive taxi driver? I that me want know then. We are not fool, you know. We are no fool. Una for stop this foolishness now. Seriously, una for stop this foolishness just because we are beat on out here. Then una come up with this stupid idea. Then this makes sense? This makes sense? My wisdom warriors, me I tell them I don't understand these people. Me really and truly do not understand these people. When she gone missing, my wisdom warriors, them say a InDrive she take. That is what they said. And then true we are beat and teach because uno government uno no regulate the service up to the day. Uno for come out and talk, you know. All you Daryl Vaz, you not talk about these things, you know. You get up every day and talk about JPS. JPS, we don't want to hear nothing about no JPS. And this we want to hear about. We don't want to hear nothing about no JPS. My wisdom warriors, Mr. The man I use JPS to cover this. Seriously, that him I do. Because we not hear him come out and talk about it. We not hear him come out and talk about it, you know. Mighty God of Daniel, I really and truly don't understand what is going on in our country. Me seriously not understand. Because uno no regulate the service. Uno same government bringing InDrive in the country. And uno no regulate the service. Listen to me, Jamaican people. Do not take InDrive. It is not safe. And it is not regulated. You understand me? The government get up hot in a 2024. The government get up hot in a 2024 until we say it wasn't regulated, the service wasn't regulated, and them are going to make sure say it is regulated and it is safe. You understand me? And all nothing not done. So through them here we are beat and teach them now. Look what them come up with. Like seriously? Seriously? One thinks that we are idiot? One really thinks that we are idiot? Me? I don't trust Jamaica Labour Party. Let me tell you that. I don't trust them. My wisdom warriors. We have to open up with eye. and see what is really going on. Who is operating in drive in Jamaica? Who is operating in drive? Because I can't tell me say I'm gonna steer from America or wherever and I operate in drive. No song can sing so. Don't forget Jamaica. Lest you forget, the government of Jamaica bring in drive. So them no know who operate in drive, but yet they just have in drive just operate in Jamaica and anything can happen. Anything at all can happen. That means that we are not safe. We are not safe. Something is really not right about this case, you know. This Anissa girl we gone missing, my wisdom warriors. Something is not right about it. Something in a something. Something in a something. My people, me are moving on because evidence just dropped. Me telling you, in the last video, you know. So anytime when the European people come out and talk, you must know, say, evidence is there. Then just not ready for show it yet. Take a look at this.
What can go so? Tell me. Talk to me. Tell me something. What can go so? What can go so? Tell me. Talk to me. Tell me something. What can go so? What can go so? Tell me. Talk to me. Tell me something. What can go so? What can go so?
My wisdom warriors are wanting me know the Jamaica Labour Party cannot be trusted. Wanna hear me? They cannot be trusted. We have to vote them out. We have to vote them out because the whole of them just enrich themselves and them get richer while we the taxpayer now get richer. You understand me? So we need to vote them out. Them not honest and they're not trustworthy. Them cannot handle our financial affairs. Andrew Holness, Christopher Tufton, they cannot. They can't manage it. My wisdom warriors, they ain't too ready. But me I go left it right here. So wanna tell me what you think. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.
We're not going to first promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office. On the things that we are novice. On the better listen to this. Vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly people just vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly. Cause when they win them a go dump way. Marky G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk to we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk to we. Yes, go march to we. Because we have some guy with them on a intention, leading the country in the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do when in call the election. Vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. So we are tell them promptly people just vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them